Hello, I'm Piyush Dave, a fintech professional, and today we are going to discuss Algo, which work with two logic. One is for the VWAP. VWAP is going to work with the trend, and we are going to calculate the average volume also for the momentum. So it's a mixture of two things. One is for the trend, the second one is for the momentum. So the logic is very simple. First, we are going to calculate the volume from the market, and from that volume, we are going to calculate the average volume. So we will take some readings from the market on the volume side, and then we are going to calculate the average volume. If the current volume is greater than the average volume in the market, then we will check whether the price is above VWAP or below VWAP. If the price is above VWAP, that means there will be two different filter. First, we will check the volume, then we will check the price. And if the price is above VWAP, we are going to go for a long position. And if the price is below VWAP, we are going to go for the short position. First, calculate the average volume. If the average volume calculation, check with the current volume. If the current volume is greater than the average volume, then check the price. Price is greater than the VWAP, price is smaller than the VWAP. If the price is greater than the VWAP, go for a long position. If the price is smaller than the VWAP, go for a short position. Very simple logic. And there is an AND condition. And if any of the condition get false, come out of the trade. If the volume become less, then trend is losing, just come out of the trade. The exit condition for the long and short remains same. Any of the condition is not true, come out of the trade, because we are working on an AND logic. Now let me show you what is the exit VWAP calculation. So suppose the price is 1000 and the volume is 1200. So price into volume, we get the cumulative P into V. So first cumulative volume is 1200. So this value divided by this is the VWAP. The new price has come, new volume has come, new value over here. Again multiplication, divide with 2700. Now how this 2700 has come? 1200 plus 1500 is 2700. Again divide this with 2700, we get the new VWAP. And now the volume is 1300. So 2700 plus 1300, 4000. Divide this value. So we are going to get the new VWAP. And likewise, we are going to get the VWAP after 4-5 cycles. We are going to use a ruling VWAP. So every time the new price come, new volume come, the new VWAP value we can calculate. Similarly, we are going to get the average volume, which is also ruling. If the new volume will come, we are going to get the new average volume. Every change in the price, every change in the volume. Now let me show you this in an actual simulation environment so we can actually understand how it works. But first, let me give you a summary one more time so it will be more easily understood by you. Collect the average volume, check with the current volume. If this condition is true, check the price greater than VWAP, then go for a long. Price less than VWAP, go for a short. Very simple. If any of the condition become false, come out of the long trade or a short trade. Now let me show you this in actual simulation environment. So first we are going to run our exchange. So exchange is going to change the price and the volume randomly. We have no control over the price and the volume. Okay. Now the algo is going to fire on this price and the volume. So first it is going to calculate Okay, let me adjust the window. Okay, it's a warm-up cycle. So now there will be a 20 price will be collected, the volume will be collected from the market, and the VWAP and the average volume will be generated from different 20 prices. So we need to wait for at least 20 candles from the market. This candle you can keep for 1 minute, 15 minutes as per your requirement. You can check after 20, it is going to tell us, okay, now the live algo has started. The VWAP is 1004 and the average volume is 1660. It's not trading at all because the VWAP, the average volume, the volume should be greater than the average volume. The volume should be greater than the average volume, then only it is going to trade. The volume is very low. You can check out the average volume is this. Okay, it has taken one trade of long position because both the condition was true. Okay, again it has taken one long position. Okay, now the condition is not satisfied, so it has come out of the trade. Okay, we are in a realized loss of 1000 rupees. It's happening so fast, you can see. There's again, okay, we got one profit also. It's happening so fast. Okay, we can do one thing. We can just increase some or delay so that we can able to see what is happening in the actual trade environment. We are in a current loss because it has taken the position and the volume or the VWAP went against it. So it has booked the loss. Okay, we are in a realized loss of 2000 rupees. It's completely okay. Okay. Let me create some more delay in the simulation so that we can check out what is happening in the calculation. So I have put a delay cycle of 2 seconds. Let me create it 2.5 at least so that we can check what is happening. So again, it is going to collect the 20 prices from the market. So now we have intentionally created some delay. Now there might be a possibility that if the price is moving faster in the market, then we get some error in the readings, but it's completely fine. To check out what is happening in the market, we have intentionally created some delay. We have intentionally created some delay. Let's wait for collection of the 20 prices. So after 20 price collected from the market, the average volume is with us and okay, it has taken the trade because both the conditions were satisfied and this come out also the trade also. Okay, now the volume should be greater than the average volume. It check with the VWAP also again. If both the conditions satisfied, then it is going to trade. Okay, we have taken a short. Okay, a short is again exit only. So it's changing so dynamically. It do it very fast. So volume has to be greater than the average volume. We are in one short position. Okay, we exit again. No worries. So we intentionally created some delay. Okay, we are in a realized profit of 600. We are in a long position. We are in a long position. Okay, we exit the long also. We exit the long because either of one condition is not satisfied. the volume is continuously changing. So we are just working with a logic of, okay, we got the good profit over here. We exit the long position. Okay, we got the 1800 as a profit. Let's check long exit again. So it's dynamically doing the calculation. Okay, again, the volume is high. We have taken the long position. Okay, we exit the long also again. So it's happening so fast. The volume is increased again. Okay, there was a huge change in the price happen. We exit the long so fast. There was a huge flicker in the price happen, but the algo has exited the position. Okay, we are in realized loss of minus 300. It's completely okay. We are again in one short position. We exit the short. It happens so dynamically. You can see it's happening so dynamically. The volume has to be greater than the average volume. The price is checked with the VWAP, and based on that, it is going to trade. I'm waiting for the trade to happen. It has taken a short position. Now, why this loss is happening? Let me clarify you, because we are not uh, changing this with the speed of market. Okay, the speed of market is slightly higher, so that's why this loss is happening. Otherwise, it works very nicely. But if I decrease the delay, it is very difficult for you to see what is happening in the algorithm. So let's check what is the delay of the market, and based on that, we are going to create our delay. Okay, let me check out what delay I have given in actual. Okay, so there is a delay of, the price is changing, the volume is changing. We have delay of 2. Okay, let me create this delay as 3. So after every 3 seconds, it is going to change the price. Now it is going to work very slow. It's completely okay. Let's create the same delay in our simulation also, so that we can check out what is happening in actual calculation. So, you need to have a patience to understand this. Okay, this is a warm-up cycle. So there will be a 60-second cycle. So we need to wait till this cycle is over. It's calculating. So now we sync both algo and the market speed together. So now there will be no mismatch. The only small mismatch is after every 3 seconds, we're getting a new price. Okay, now the algo is live. Now it's clearly visible. Okay, we have taken one short position. If any of the condition is unsatisfied, we are going to come out. Okay, we have come out of, now we are holding a short position. We are holding a short position. Okay, short exit. Okay. Again, we are waiting for volume to go above the. Okay, we are holding one short position. We are holding one short position. After every 100 second, we get one summary. So we get an idea what is happening with our algo. We exit the long position. Okay. So even if with the delay of 3 seconds, it's still very dynamic. We are going to use the AND logic. Any of the condition is not true, we are going to come out. So volume is 1491. It has to be greater than the value. Okay, we have taken a short position. Okay, we exit that also. It's happened so fast. Okay, we are waiting for volume to increase above the value we wanted. You can make it more flexible by changing the volume logic to not to so much fix to the flexible level. Currently, we are very much stick to the AND logic. You can create some OR logic, or you can create some other flexible environment so that it won't come out of the trade again and again. Here the volume is decreased, then it is going to come out of the trade. So algo is working beautifully. See, the best way to work with this algo is you need to basically give some flexibility in the volume term. And one more thing, we are working with the 3 second cycle, 3 second cycle, only 3 second candle. You can increase it to 1 minute or 3 minute or 5 minute. So it works beautifully because the average volume is changing continuously in every 3 seconds. So that's why it is trading so fast. You can make this cycle of 1 second, or a candle you can check at least for 5 minutes or 1 minute. So it is not going to flicker like it's flickering currently. Okay, we got one long. Okay, we exited also. It happened so fast, you can see. So you need to be back test it so many times, then fine tune it as per your requirement, and then trade it wisely in actual market. So back testing is required. Again, the risk management is required. Don't trade with the logic of losing the value. Just understand the mathematics. Okay, we are in no profit, no loss zone because we have very much strict environment over here. Okay, we exit the position. It's happening so fast, so dynamic. So I recommend you to backtest it. It is a mixture of volume momentum and the trend. Trend is going to tell us, trend is we are going to find out with the VWAP, and volume we are going to find out with average volume. Okay, we are in a realized profit of 1000 and it is happening dynamically. I hope this is clear to you. Backtest it, use it wisely. Thank you very much.